Sanibona ngisandubela ishop wephule mathile phela Calvin Ntwana semgodi ngikhenza ngashaya thethiso. Welcome to Shibo Magazine. Bafethu njengoba sesinini niyabona ihlelo lethu kumnandi ligi iqeda ukucala officially. Njengoba libona ukuthi ama team amaningi izona adlalile. Ukumnandi abanye asazi ukuthi baprepare kanjani but yeah sokhuluma ngakho. Cela kuthatha lithuba lelo ukuthi ngintroduce ama-co-host wami. Ngicela ngaku right. Everybody love.
Hola, Steven Mavocha, Shibo Magazine. PSL is back.
Kanjalo underway officially.
Kanama.
Yeah. Then ngize ngaku left wami.
Another try.
Sure, siyakhotha Shibo me. Yeah. Aqeda siye ngara ku Mr. Sweet.
Nonchalant.
Nonchalant.
East Copa.
Damn, but every week in the media about Betway Premiership this week.
Yeah.
Did you turn zero? Shelly Trachel take green.
It's
okay.
He left back.
It is what it is.
Favor Mazur. I say favor Mazur.
Shelly Trachel is green.
Favor Mazur.
So Buffett, while edit Buffett, we will be introducing our new show internationally. And Mr. Nonchalant, niyawuthe ethu engekho namhlanje. Niyawuthami ngayinga ku side la.
Our prof.
Zokuyibo nje bafise kwazo one break la down zonke lezinto lethu. Stay tuned. Kuzoba mnandi.
For the next.
Thank you. Esibafisa nibonile ukuthi officially Betway expected the unexpected, defending, retaining, fighting, competing, yeah. Competing for number one, number two,
number one.
Some others they're competing to retain the position.
Oh, yes.
And there's something that I quote. I think I'll echo Jetuta Cruz. Bambuzumbuzo wati a Kaizer Chiefs is not yet ready to compete. So my question is, yes, we understand maybe we might not be ready to compete, but more feel a team in Kaizer Chiefs. You must know what you need to tell. You must have confidence. You can have some friends confident it's okay, we should believe in them. But most of the statements so good, we're not yet ready to compete with Pirates and Sundowns. What are you saying to us?
I don't know, I feel slash
ufuna ukushaya isipandile sasala abantu abahambile ufuna na ukuba comfortable ngalendlela ukuthi retain iCV yakhe eshaya iCV background. That's what I'm getting from him.
Hayi namanga leya. Ifuna ukuthi
Lalisa amakati
kungabi nepressure. Sina silalise yabo bese ayayithela
so uthi
hayi isithemba asinisho.
Stand what in publicity stand.
Yeah. Publicity stand mara namanga yikho nto ayebeka abantu abangakora 3 goals bathi bekurage for compete.
Germany. Sorry.
Germany.
Yakora 7 World Cup,
Yeah.
so those are the things, guys.
Yeah, because you can
knockout.
But then again,
the race.
uyazi ukuthi klama siyazi ukuthi league impethe obviously. Uqala league bombe uqala upush ngewin. Mina ama game at an early stage. And it's still early to tell ukuthi ama team are prepare kanjani. That was my first games. We still yet to see more. Because mina aside in love Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Stelis, Amazulu, your Kruger, your King, Medford. Lento boyisho ukuthi if lama team lawa khurud lawa ethu bathwele i-team ukuthi bedlala PSL manje bathwele challenges serious in terms of being clinical, in terms of being composed, in terms of decision making and everything in the final third. You understand? So me, the positive thing that I took from Kaizer Chiefs is players now are starting to show a little bit of confidence. They're starting to believe in themselves. And I believe with the mandate, they need to play younger players. But then again, younger players, are they gonna take us last corner now? Like maybe winning the league, possibly winning maybe MTN 8, Nedbank, possibly, and winning maybe Confed.
Ufuna yonke into yo.
Ufuna uteka always.
If I'm not positive, then
what's
the point?
I mean, I believe ukuthi young players abazo yenza izinto Kaizer Chiefs. I mean, bheka ku Pirates. Noma bakhona lawo abantu abakhulu bethu.
Great example.
Mara into
Perfect example.
Kayani into chance.
Ricky Makala. Angithi Ricky.
Hey, yo, listen to the kids. That's a chance. Yibo mfethu abazoyenza izinto. Mawabheka ne-starting lineup sayizolo se-Chiefs, you could tell
They want it more.
yeah, ngithola. Uvele bhayi uva.
Uvele bhayi.
Khona.
Usebhayi. Angithi uvele bhayi.
Uvele bhayi.
Ukhona.
Akadlala ngizolo.
But
Amawuzuzi.
there was a lot happening, like positive things ukuthi as a Kaizer Chiefs fans we don't as for starters as ukuthi when it comes to our substitutions, you know they need to deliver. And that's what they did yesterday. Omunye umuntu nje umthetho ayimsurprising. Played well.
Box.
Yeah, played well. And it for the first time utheni.
I think uhlwile. Uhlwile. Awisheni the point. Uthola message. And ulile la mara kuyabona fanele kuyaship. Iphi makai.
Positive.
Yeah, you have to. You're showing confidence.
But it's not about
Number one.
You're showing confidence, eh?
Yeah, confidence.
Yeah, you're showing confidence, eh?
Lokho sikufunayo noma kunyiwa mfethi once bona ukuthi ndliwe nilwa on millennial mfethi sifuna ukuthi swine 3 swine 2 swine nil or fighting spirit, that's what I want.
Yeah, another way kunengakhona kuningi
Convincing. Besidlala so.
yeah ama-chance badla amanika ekhona igame crew
Abana
ngesikhathi lesiya
legoli lokuqala li
first half yabona izinto engiringa ngazo ukuthi ngabe bebathole i-team
Complete.
PSL same ne-Pirates same thing nawo ngikho hips
And then-
sinile mara mina ngikho
And then remember another thing, lama team lawa uyagrut lawa ala nabo makoti la ngithi. Ama team asingawacavi vele. So like ukwenza analysis ngalawo ma team la kuba difficult. Yangitho zona lezi dlala weekend because ababona ukuthi sodlala naleziya. So funa prove point obvious izoza kini. Nami ngilibonile le Pirates. Eze Pirates bebazilanda mfethu lintwana ezishama shot ngiyabheka la emuva chief ukuthi yazini.
akhumbula sidiski
Mfethu.
masidla wendlala nabantu ungabazi benisigayi first half
Yeah.
ukuthi nibone ukuthi
Which is which.
second half
Sidlala so. Yeah.
so ufuna ungitshela ukuthi first half okay sidlala that is why mina ama first half angacharge most of the time mangibhekele libhola because sometimes ngiyazi ukuthi singaplana ntanga sibheke ivideo analysis to badlala sona so ba-change strategy yangithola first half angicharge second half buyeninza nibet maka still abayenzanga bet
Lento isho in a sense, in a point. But then again, mawutabheka mfethu. Pirates Orlando VA like confidence ama-chance like yangithola. Leza into leza so dlala esigodini. Zine pressure at the same time zine confidence. Ukudala athi vele sifuna ukushowcase ukuthi hayi sifikile yazanga yini mistake. Siwinile le league leya so siyenza siwina ama playoff whatever. Makasela kumele siprove ipoint ukuthi yazini sidlala nePirates big team bazenza lamagama. Khona le ntwana leyo bani? Ubani le Milford. Like le ntwana beyidlala izolo jo like beyiphoza bobona ukuthi ngathi uzoba inkinga. Yangithola. Ziba one shot. Because of game aninze vibe, ninze di grow ka confidence ilizona hayi but bakhona u develop i center. Do mfetho ka ya da. Ka. Yabo.
Okay. I want to pose a question. Compared to, I know Uti first games and everything, we don't know how many team are preparing. But team is like they ended the season on a high. Compared to the way they ended the season and how they started, where do you see like Orlando Pirates or whatever Kaizer Chiefs? Where do you see them going?
With how they play,
how they actually started.
Yeah, because they both won, so she's number 1 and 2.
Currently, really, as it stands.
Not the way you call it, no.
Yeah, currently.
It's in it. Oh, me. Hey, envelope.
Masiba realistic. League. Okay, ngoba amagame asaqala. We are competing, but angazi mfana like ukuthi izobuye ngibhayithele but I just need to have like I have to say what realistically speaking Kaizer Chiefs is not taking a league. E-League, it's either it's going to be retained by Orlando Pirates or the other competition. Because I feel like we don't even the way we played yesterday. Yes, we played, but we don't have enough there. We don't have players that we can say for the players that can catch Orlando Pirates committee.
Wabalata cards, yeah.
So player ke tseba more akere all I feel ko ena re counter. It's a must and they need to score. But when confidence you go tseba ndo no rai. Whatever no if o ko re mang na to say. Now if I go I to tlanko party. You understand? I get confident to that point on catch high. What's it? La lead. Marata boy, I can maybe 5-10 minutes.
I'm playing the game the cheese is all. Lo mabuwe ya liyana ngathi chwana.
Izolo benza ubuchwandla manje. Benza ubuchwandla vele izolo. Leya.
Okay, besides into zenzile yena but I mean I believe modlala emidlalo. Modlala la.
Inkali.
Ungasi captain. Yeli.
Yeah. Command,
You
yeah.
are the heart of the team.
Yeah.
You are the dictator. Kunala baphasa uMiguel emuva.
Yeah.
uMiguel uthi umile uMabowi la. UMabowi uthi relax. Mara abantu bayeza bazo.
Baba press.
Then akhiphela ibhola ngaphandle baveza leya ifeni leya. Ithi futheke uyibonile. Ithi uMiguel but ngiyasho but it's not fair. Akusuyo.
Oh wrong number 6.
Umabuye wathi relax. Ungathi relax kanjani ntana? Uwe kumele ulanda ibhola landi.
Kulanda ibhola
ilento le bengitshela yona last week ukuthi we could feel ukuthi like Ox is not a good player because of there's certain things abangazenzi because so ukuthi bayamphasa bamila bomabuye kule yawo
abamsupport
understand then kuzoba ngathi play idlala ama back pass you understand but izolupula thini wenzeni uthenile because of why
bekana ama option up
yeah those are the things that some of the people we don't pick up.
Amenta Cruz uyayibona
uzayilungisa kancane kancane.
Okay, we understand when players say pattern players.
Yeah.
But as when as a player, you need that confidence. When I play, I'm telling you, Lore, sebamti. I'm telling you, twara polo, auto, and then get away. Exactly. But no, twara polo 10. But what I expect you to go.
Yeah.
And you also attack a space. Say long ba spell, but neglect it. Okay. Mobile battle press a thing. I'm told. Can you never battle from me? Yesterday, I'm like we shy like Randy. And they went Mabuwe lena Mabuwe ke tsibotsa tse
mabane ai abeka off
man sa Kenya star
abeka off
baba sapa bani emidlilini
bakhiphe uNdlovu
ugatsheni
bafaka uLokhuzana
Mabuwe bamkhipha
bafaka abakenya ntwana ekimang machine
bamkenze
for uNdlovu
bamkenze for UNdlovu
for Ox
ali Batman Spain
uyawaphuma
kunomuntu
usala waphuma
ukene second half lentwana ekimang ngoba
ukene second half ngibonisa apika kalona ka machine
bamkhiphela uSiva ngathi phakathi
uSiva bekakhona igame
yeah baqala akabuyanga igame
umakaphuma ole yanokletha ngokhipha
amara ufila uCruz uzoyilungisa into engenzakala la kuChiefs because of obvious khona ama player angena confidence vele la
yeah
nale dine ngwaringa nga last attitude wise into enyane ezinjalo I think kumele balungise bona bayiphethe i-team ikhona i-team akhona ama player
la chuna la mfana like akithi uzama like ngakupitsa combination okwaza phela mabana ke sheba Batman yadlala le nadlayisana mako livila like the way baba balinkanga thing mfana you it was proper but now Villa igcina semcost of anwetha bola ke WhatsApp bolo like abayihlisa kama khofela overload side Villa obvious bola icala ka Batman utlala mo bo King D-line and now fitla mo D-line sola sona le congestion la because obviously maybe ke bo mabubo tshwantse mali ndala so kena se congestion ba mthola se ga tlasha bolo fita felona le goal tshwantse le shakle fesa abasha cross mo tshwantse shape tape fitile le if na fitile elishole nanga
this is sazibuza ukuthi why bakamkhethi squad
uzoba kwadi
mawuhleli ucoach nawe yazibuza ukuthi bayimkhethi uzoletha le different emidlalo enganayo ayikho into azoyenza
yeah I know
whatever ifuna icoach kulabo player wakhethi ikho and angeke sacrifice play one
yabona into engitshela yona ukuthi as a coach sibona ngokufana akutshela last week chwandla le
yeah makubuthuma
Okay, moving
Akudlaleli
forward,
zona.
the things that you see. Okay, since it's really Kaizer Chiefs, now we're going to Orlando Pirates. Yeah, what are the things
I'm
that
not
you
happy
see?
mfana nge-Pirates. Mainly May. Amanye ama-player wena aya ku-World Cup. First week ka-July, pre-season, ngidlala ama-game, hard games, tough. Niyabuya yini. Nizodlala ne-team ebuya ku-Motsepe ne?
yeah
Yeah, IPC Mtsepe.
Mina ngazi
NFD.
kuyimvelo.
NFD.
NFD. Ngidlala ne-team ebuya la. Ayini-attack. Eya-team ayi-attack-ani.
Isabile,
Must
literally.
That is why if bebathola i-team eyidlala ku-PSL bezoba-attack should besoba nama-problems.
yeah
Because abusibisi enza ubuchwanhla, ngithole engabu-understand, uMbatha wenza ubuchwanhla, Tito wenza ubuchwanhla. So ngiyazibuza ukuthi okay-ke siye ku-pre-season besiyolungisa lama-mistake abawayenza izolo then bebayelani ku-pre-season because of uMbatha udlisa idisk la phambi kwe-18 la lantona zalirhebs udlala emidlini uyazi kuhlale kunabantu la decision yakho kumele ihlale fast ku-World Cup first game sidliswe i-direct
lento le yakayaya
kumele uyibheke ubone usukhipha shuthi kusona
Masicela.
bazohlezi bangipressa mangicorrect ibhola uTito uyeza wenza the same thing bamthathela ibhola akathi kuma-player wakhe akayenzi moves
attitude
So,
Attitude.
Bafethu, are you saying there's something alluring it's negative at developing Orlando Pirates?
no there's nothing
no
developing
there's
but
nothing but
okay
as a player ngidlala my fourth season ku-Pirates
You should know better.
ama-mistake engiwenza first season na second season
And they should
Like
not consider as a senior player.
exactly but usenza lawo ma-mistake bese makuthatha le ntwana uMasileli ingayenzi ma-mistake and expect ukuthi yenze ama-mistake
still
ingawayenzi bese mase beyicalisa negame bese sikuba ngazuthi ucoach uyabheda ucoach
But then you can tell nanoma badlalisa uSlap. Slap umeka sure makadlala mfethu ugaya his best.
yeah
Yeah, ngithola. Uyadlala because of now the competition is high. You understand? Ngithola. So nje confident in mentally mindset yama-gents amanye a few. Abazitshela ukuthi seba izoba khawatha
lento
didengela.
le Pirates usually ama-slow start
Ama-slow starter wona
so
vele.
Bayicala league
Baqala
I usually
slow.
don't expect anything from them after 5 games I know yeah then the gears going to be running
Uyilitha seyikhuphukile.
get me wrong angiyazi ukuthi vele thina vele hlezi sichwakhe ekuqaleni ngikhawunta ama-mistake abawayenzayo
yeah
and bebawayenza last season bebawayenza last season like kumele ube ne-growth
as a player
usize i-team somewhere somehow sibone ukuthi hayi akasaluza ibhola so besikhala nge-passing kambathi uyowa-improve improve ezinye izinto aluluza amabhola so ubonile naku-World Cup ukuthi uyawadlisa ibhola so
banje
you can't do those mistakes we are a big institution
And
sometimes ibhola lakho kumele libe clean
libe simple
libe simple
yeah
Question. Okay. Ngiyezwa ukuthi ngikhala ngokuthi actually angikhala ngithi i-Pirates is a slow starter, right? And somehow lento le kuba slow it becomes costly depending on how other opponents or teams are doing, right?
yeah
Sharp. So how many seasons have Pirates been starting slow? How many seasons have Pirates tried to fix the we shouldn't start slow, we need to acclimatize this slow from the way we start the season on the high.
abakazi bayilungisa and
Yeah, but now, why can't into engifuna ukuyi-understand angithi when you noma uqeda season
yeah
you fixing izinto ukuthi benizenza
yeah last
throughout
season.
right
yeah
throughout and you know pretty well ukuthi this it might be the game the external factor ukuthi yangikhawatha leyokuqala ama-games
yeah
you understand and then I'm definitely sure ukuthi as a team of as a Pirates they definitely don't want to start ngaleyo ndlela leyo unless ukuthi ama-players abuya la kuya khona basane-weekend ama-proving emakhanda khona basazofuza and it happens to each and every team.
everyone yeah
But other teams, yakhumbula even last season, Kaizer Chiefs started on a high note, but they ended dismal, like
Pirates
bad.
ngiyazi njalo.
You understand?
Yeah.
So lezo zinto kwamele like as ama-team, and I'm including like ama-team, they
Yeah.
need to start on a high. Not
Sometimes
to have that mentality,
See,
like in the back of the head.
Acaba rating le yenza
Lento le.
when you start sonke on high.
Yeah.
Ikhuphula competition.
Yeah.
Kuba mnandi,
Yeah.
kuba mnandi.
Bafana ikhuphula competition.
Makulu.
Uyangithola?
Diki ba great bamnandi.
iFrancis ngayidla team.
And into Kenya ngalento lela, ama-team lawa promotewa la khuphuka. Impethu, you understand that the underdogs.
Yeah.
But fitla la mpethu ska fitla ka mindset already. We don't have experience, we're playing against a huge team and everything. You there to compete, right?
Yeah.
Let's make it better mnandi so that abantu abaningi bayibukele. Khona manje abantu they not watching it because there's no interesting thing engasenza ukuthi see, you understand? Uma no promote mpethu bathi into nyana.
The thing ukuthi lento le besikhuluma ngayo last week ukuthi asina strike. Angithola.
Sinaso manje.
Haaland.
Asibona ukuthi
So ilento le besikhuluma ngayo ukuthi like iPetway lekha ngamagoli. Angithola. So that's why you could find the game kube mnandi litashwe nje. Mara kunamagoli. Angithola.
Cool in the City.
So you can't be watching that kind of games.
Like Kenya's meal.
Yeah, well, so if you're watching a game, look at 2-1, maybe first 20 minutes. Now you have interest with manga sukumala, wish could miss a makul, you understand? So in the show, much more so pegela, City, Mele, Kukune, Ayas, Pazela, final. It's not interesting, dog. I could do whatever. I'm from years.
I'm simple to show. Example, the Pirates.
Yeah.
But I don't know win a cup every season.
Yeah.
My friends are stadium.
Stadium.
Yeah,
sorry.
I'm a team I
6.
Ku PSL.
In Kenya ngala
Ibinjalo.
ama-team lawa ne. Ake wabona bari promote le ku PSL.
Yeah.
Badlala bochwanga. Arethi okay, kisantsa lecala. But abari Nedbank. Team temperature
Yeah, competition.
Yeah, but-
Competition yo.
Yeah, it's all that I didn't. Why can't you use the same mindset?
But they
Mara- Well, elikini. Yeah. The format ngeke ifane phela. Competition nefane nemarathon.
knocking out phela mangikushaya
Khumula chase.
ngikushaya sengise final in
Yeah,
the
ngithola.
game S4.
It's understandable, but
Yeah,
now the
I'm sorry.
question is it's a fair question. We
Yeah.
understand ukuthi cup game and the league game, those are two different things. A cup game, it's short term. Yeah, it's
Winning
not
mentality.
like long, you understand?
Yeah.
But then again, let's say uthatha le game lozodlala nePirates uzoba knockout kuNedbank. Uyithatha as first game yakho modlala nabeligi.
Angithi ngizara
Yeah.
ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi like if ngidlala cup game manginoka abantu abayi3 kuleli lesi4 final. So motivation ebhali. So ileague isase la. So sometimes amanye ama teams ukuthi azohold up back. Maybe second half ufuna ukushawa nini. Ngithola. But here it's like it's a short
Intonyana
competition.
quick kick.
Yeah. It's a waiting game of which ukuthi mangabamba maybe TS Galaxy, Steelers, Durban City 1-1. Swele draw. Yabona like kune plan la. So mara yi ukuthini ebafethu Shano Steven show pule show siya. Sidlale no Themba sithathe cup. Ngithola. Motivation angeke izifane.
Why don't they use that winning mentality?
Angeke
isibane.
isibane.
Ngeke khulu uplana for into ezophela le.
Yeah.
And then bese uplana the same then wona sibale yabo. Used to.
What?
Yeah, Kevin Hart.
Manje ngeSuper
Ngani
Sport.
ngefethi.
Awina
Sport.
mawenili.
Yeah, because the Pirates Chiefs sometimes. Yazithungla lama-draw i-1 minute. Abanye bonke nyabahlaba. Win league. Win league.
Yabo iplan yakhe ye league yamthola. Ama-1 yabo uyayiplanela
You can plan. That's why I'm saying it. You can plan for a league.
Yamthola.
Ngaplela nami netona.
Yeah.
Ngithi lezi mangazibamba 1-1 I'm still planning.
Yeah.
But now we understand the difference between the two. Let's the waiting game, lights and quick execution.
Yeah.
You understand? But now, I'm talking about the mentality. I understand.
It won't be the same.
I understand it won't be the same.
Yeah.
But instill it to
Oh, by integrate kusho ngawo approach a cup tournament ibe similar to our approach a league.
Take each and every game like
It's a final. Last game.
That on its own,
Yeah.
whether it's league, whether it's cup,
I
whether
think-
it's in market.
I think it's what Mhlathuze.
If udlala Mhlathuze nakhona.
I think ile nto vele beyenziwa ePirates last season
Each and
ukuzakala
every
like nebana le mentality of hayi ke cup kada ngahlapha
Final.
yangithola ke final each game yabo kuyi final
Boku
so
final,
ke mentality obuwa ngayo question another thing so I know it's a bomb no it's a bomb
The newly promoted teams, what are the positives and the negatives that you can actually
Emergency.
they wanna compete
They want
How-
khona
and into emnandi ukuthi babaqalisele ama big team lama team lawo so le isukile le iza kancane ipressure babaqalisele ama big team angisho Sundowns ikhona vele Sundowns ipheze umlangayiboni amagame ayadlala mfethu indani
Ma-feature khona.
ngizokhuluma ngeSundowns mayiceda ukudlala mfethu igame layo yabo so for now
Postpone.
newly promoted teams
Newly promoted teams.
newly
Sebane
promoted
game in
teams
hand.
bane game in hand la bantu
They're not every season.
complain asebadlala amagame abhala
yangithola
Ngeviki.
because bafune ukuthi postpone
bafuna ukuba bawaqobo kahle kudlala jwang no bana wangithola zakhala
This is a well
So, Mntanazi
And it's run by who?
Dr. Ivan Coles. Ivan Coles.
Mntanazi Milford Kruger yebo
Yebo, ngiyazi makwabo manje ama president. So
Ngaipuela.
sengiyasho nje ukuthi ningathi PSL wathiwa Sundowns icelile icela ukupostpone igame bavuma well run league
sharp
phethe ubani
Dr. Chairman Ivan Ayon Juk
Ivan Coles
or Baba
yeah
Dr.
angifuna
The
ama
Iron
president manye what
Ba-complain.
in basoropa bathi in
Mara mina ngithi bane game in hand.
so
Mntanazi into ba le confidence okay we've managed to consider more goals against these teams K-Sharp Chiefs win 3 and yet Chiefs conceded dibone okay going forward the top plan ka say if possible so now for Nantwana there is a positive for teams di batla go compete le bena bona ngate because of
and manje
di batla go tla mfake
no Devin team i5
ye tebeni na ifiki na ikeze
Into bengisho ukuthi
itebeni
ile
city
nto le besikhuluma ngayo.
tebeni city
Yeah,
Nani?
kube nama team ayi2 at least.
Milford.
Solid.
the rich boys amazulu
Richards Bay
yeah
So
five.
Richard's boy.
Richards boy
So into besisho ukuthi why bangayenza ama team ayi2 are solid. But because of everyone wants to get something.
ne
They're gonna make their own.
so
team.
meaning Gauteng ina 3 angakhe Gauteng BT or 2
Right. Oh, so
Right.
this is Ali.
yeah so mana
Simon
ya
Jota.
ubotse mo petwe
Yeah, it's only two.
kutsho nkopitori i1
Yeah,
nkopitori asekechange
Any province bayazenzela.
Yeah.
bayazenzela
Bane game in
one
hand.
game in hand
What is Soweto?
mfethu
Bangabozola even akunasoweto lethwa. Wow, ngizokho Soweto Cape Town. Soweto
Babe nesosha lapha. Namasosha.
ngengayimnambiti kunejababa
Yeah.
kune-white emnambiti akusho ukuthi mazikhona lezo zinto lezo sokuyisoweto nada
Oh,
Soweto there's only one Soweto
nesosha.
nesosha
nah they wanna social they wanna social okay
it's a
yeah
country that one
we got newly mara
Milford.
I felt like we didn't say a lot the team said neruwa ka taba ya promoter ntona tsenya and I'm checking a younger team tse kopileng tse promoting udlala ama out of South Africa mostly than foreign players
and that's
can check around there
Abanamali. Ngacamba abanamali.
yenza
Ukusayina ama-foreign.
yeah mara
Yeah,
right
right.
looking njani
Yeah, yona is fine but
into besisho yakhumbula ngazo
ukuthi
Mara,
yeah, ilike yethu ibe
ukuthi if isafa bangayekela
ama-foreign.
ugawulinyu if bayigawula legit
Akuna if bayigaba bayigawula akuna legit.
mabangayekela
Legit.
yabona i-structure se-disk
Yeah.
from PSL
Sell to
NFT
Obasha Matia Crack.
Hierarchy.
cassette
Mm.
and awuthi yami le awusizidlala ku-cassette zingafuna ukuhlala emaflitini la ejabulana alibela dlala ku-cassette
Make a living.
happy
man.
Yeah.
comfortable
Yeah.
but manje ngoba lenyuku le ayisafiki la
Iphelele emindenini ongasho family.
yeah
Imindeni. Iphelele emindenini.
yangithola
Yeah.
so if serious in-disk lethu la e-South Africa
Developing.
ngiyakutshela ukuthi ngabe emfethu
That's fair.
i-France ne-Spain singabashabo ngo-25 million
You are fair. You are fair.
singabashabo
True.
angithi yizidle 5 million
Oh.
sikumele si-ish i-10
Sinveste kakhulu naseLimpopo sifune high.
yo siyebhohom lapha sithole istrada
Siyebhohom. Alala. Yebhohom.
yabona imali if izofika le
Mm.
phansi
Mm.
to the ground level
Yeah,
ngiyakutshela
ngasipa.
ukuthi khona Rustenburg awuthi kwazi ukuvimba
Mm.
and bathola enye i-coach eshanga ama-ideas amanye ebhola ukuthi
Yeah.
nje financial capacity
City.
ukuthi aziwe
Asa.
Abana, mm.
so ne-out mpethe Free State, North West,
Eastern Cape.
Eastern Cape, KZN, Mhlathuze yabo
Mm.
khona i-out entswembu
Not all Polish talented, but needs
talented
Yeah.
needs polish needs money
Mm.
le mali lesikhuluma ngayo sithi
Yeah.
phela imindeni bayingafika
I-hierarchy.
phansi
Hierarchy
Oh.
isendlini ubaba uyimillionaire umama.
Oh.
Actually millionaire umntwana
bese
1000 year. Ilokhu yayehle hierarchy endlini.
bese
Sifuna ngapha.
bayoswepa ama-2,000 awezulu
Mm?
yo
Mm.
Hey,
Yeah, well.
yeah.
uyabona
Yo, uswipe Twitter wizo.
mfethu bese ntanga
Ah, no, hayi ngiyakuzwa.
angizwa
Hayi ngiyakuzwa.
K spent the whole
Yeah,
night.
Imagine,
imali ayifike
dog.
emhlathuze imali ayifike ebhoholo
Yeah.
Iphelela le
eRustenburg
emswayipeni.
uthatha leyo coach oyi-1 aphakamisa ikasi lakhe kube phela mfethu yazi ukuthi makuneplayer asekhenza
Yeah.
idlala ku-PSL siyajabula
Sajabula,
Yeah,
we
exactly.
support.
Yeah,
Because
they represent,
city
yeah.
usiyabonga mashini
Mm.
Yeah.
satokhi
Mm.
uyahappy
Yeah.
siyazi ukuthi hayi bazobona ukuthi ikasi ikhona
Kontana se Rockville unewo idlala ku NFT.
Yabo,
uyangithola
mm,
mase siyibona la bazothi
Kuyikanyo nayo ku NFT.
siyajabula ntanga masibona
Ikanyo Patlano.
Oh, Patlana.
uyabona siyajabula masibona lezo zinto lezi but imali kumele ifike kuwo ama-agency so that into zabo futhi angabi ne-stress sama-cops
Yeah,
angabi
another thing.
ukuthi uzodlala
Yazi inkinga efika
training
yazi inkinga iba kuphi. Yabona manje yona fokone ideas they flowing. Once kuhlala le briefcase le phethe yonke into.
Ale
No,
envelope.
listen, masaqala briefcase. What I'm saying is, let's say for an example, we're talking about restructuring like the
Yes.
whole thing. You have ideas ukuthi uzoyenza kanjani. Like already you have a picture so drawing.
You have a plan, yes.
Ne figure imali. Maqedwe baplan division now.
bayigayimini
Yabona the very same thing right time. Yeah, singasho ayikahle ayihlalanga ngithi right away. Izinto eziright zonke. Yeah, uzokhuluma izinto eziright zonke.
abanginiki 15
Ingene uzohamba ngehavali.
Anele.
Abajithiwa.
No, mara like
Okay. Moving forward, moving forward. Kule game leyo usuthi neStellenbosch. Yiyo-ke lawo esingasho ukuthi badlala against each other ngoba PSL.
intanga yabona le
Stellenbosch
game
Amazulu.
Usuthu.
Usuthu. Usuthu.
abona lelo game
Yebo.
and sabo sihle
Ah,
mabona lelo
bakhiphile
game
ndo.
lama game
um
i-PSL lento ngisikhuluma ngayo abacali one high bonke bacala
slow.
bathi abakwazi ukutrapha abakwazi ukuphamba
Barasti basase-rusty nyana amaplayer akhona.
angazi we have to find a balance between ukuthi masekuqala league ama-player abe sewa grand
Now that's how we question it.
for ukuqala league
That's
angabi
how
rust
that's
angabi
how-
into yoburasti
Yeah.
that's how we question it. Ma we break isi league my bad bayenza.
Yeah.
Throw.
Yeah.
Throw.
Oh.
Like, I just wanna live. Because if re ka nka scale re nke disk ke ntho tse thutse sa tshwaneng but le teng o ya ka rona kenya effort e kaka dikolo di ya kwalwa o etsa grade 10 o lo prepare la grade 11 right disk season ya kwalwa wena bona ntlo right ke
ho lo blom album hla
ke mo so qala work on yourself first se ka se bo ma January se approach ko le qala
so tlo bula
and jwanong
Mika ko.
like you understand like you had enough time to plan but you chose to
But I feel like Sinama player with our guidance compared to Euro players.
I think they have a guy
program by guy
No mabanga guys here, but it depends with you. If
as
no,
a player,
That's what
yeah,
I'm saying,
individual,
me and
yeah.
you.
If we are young,
If me and you, yeah.
You playing for each page, and then you're not only playing for this page, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You're playing now with Ukupu,
Yeah,
because
but
this is your career.
Uzong is a war. It's by choice. If Steve decide to an accessor,
Alright,
ufaka ama minutes. Hayi, wena ufaka ama minutes. Mina ngidecide ukuthi singobona bosiya silalela PS ama drinks. You understand? It's by choice. So that's why it's even if unganka program whatever things to do sharp none. Izofaka ama minutes Monday na Thursday. Steve ufaka ama minutes Monday to Thursday. Me the 2 days le ngenzani? Ma drinks, ubusuku, lifestyle. So in this shire, you need to be realistic.
Guidance.
And angeke install discipline emntwini.
No, kuyathola
Angeke.
Kuyathola, but you pursuing that career.
Yeah.
Zisasu angithi uyazi mawuse kakhuzwa kanjani. Yakhuzwa and leso sikhathi leso you putting time ukuthi ube uboniwe.
Ufike la.
Right? Ile angithi yabona I-mentality lebo iphethe. Ulokhuya siyangena ku-PSL.
Sure.
Siyadismantle
Sure.
Ibisilangeni.
Sofikile.
Thingitshela.
So
Sofikile.
Yazi inkinga ukuthi.
So nebisi.
Maqala ngaqedi. Sofikile, right? So when that's why most of the time as compete kuma World Cup kunalezi zinto lezi siphuma ngasemuva ukuthi it's the first time you compete, we not get ready in. Forget about those things, bro. You've been preparing and it's not like lento uyenzayo. Labantu laba benza into ehlukile kunawo. You understand?
Ithingitshela ukuthi ngiyabo. Uthena usiya mabanga amka i-briefcase kuba njani? Kuba play. So once now wathola lile ngileyo kuba njani? Play. Obvious once wathola ntango
Ibisi maselingena.
Wathola ibisi.
Uliza
Yeah, man.
Kuyona mentality.
Phela no it's because of that's why I'm saying you can't install discipline. Those guys in Europe, they follow the program. It's fine.
Why?
But why? We don't know why.
Because of mindset yabona. They know that they know what they want.
Okay,
They know what they want.
Let me ask you this question. Let's say the way get maybe example kanso. Kara tseba gore ntwana a ile mnate maybe from the age of 8 and 12. Yes, you are right. And about sign like
sign like the Crystal Palace
contract,
like they develop. Yeah.
Then you come to Africa.
Yeah, it's Africa. I'm going to compare.
Okay, Africa. You come to Africa. Ubona ntwana emnate na le mo 12 ini wa sign but jwanong we sign wa ha ebile nga we sign.
Yeah.
Wa keeper. Basically. Because ntotsa di mpetsa di etsi kore maybe discipline sometimes the environment
the society.
You go to Europe, football is taken serious.
Those guys,
you understand? That's why environment.
That's what
Paula se polo fail. Boma Liverpool or Keka or Unantone Ribo. Make sure now you understand? Then you come back to South Africa. Don't you think if we had the very same thing, environment is very different? So it goes back to soccer king, sports politics.
It's in jail. It's in jail. Kona i-clipping ngayibona
Clipper.
Clip.
Oh no,
Outside lady pendling. That guy goes to gym at 7. Okay, they do the breakfast and don't.
Like
like
in 925. It's a 925 thing.
By first training session, by Shara Konara, they spend a day analyzing maybe our performance, but check health, whatever. Second session, you work for improvement in maybe striker shooting, whatever. Second session, my individual session. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Sharp. Marangai session la kolingo 9
Ekuseni.
yavaya yalishaya
Uyavaya.
emini ubuyela kuThemba intwana kambani okapipe ama-drinks
Intwana sijikele,
abantwana uyangithola
No,
u3 kumele ukhuphule
Uringi-
sokhathele you didn't rest
uringi VAR.
you didn't rest
Why?
that's why I'm saying
Ngada-
to you ukuthi I can't install discipline
Emuntwini.
kuSteven.
That one is understandable. I
Yeah.
understand.
Ama-programs wabo most ngada ama 9 to 5 because
Yeah.
spend
Spa.
ilanga
They spend a day
Of
which is ngayi.
usenebreak
abayithumbi
ukuthi ungayoploma
leyo.
eBramford.
Yeah.
Yeah.
uthola i-break
Now,
maqeda
quite
VAR.
flexible.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Flexible.
one for khona cover the errands
Even if you're
zawo.
playing for a
Okay.
badge.
So if you had the same program efana nangada chief
we could
Ah,
yeah,
kabe
that's why
ku- kabe kwenye
that's
into.
when we
Because
can
of
say we
inqola
can
ehlezi
compete.
la se-clubhouse
Yeah,
yasipana
yeah.
Solution.
Yeah.
angithola
Ama-player wethu ku-PSL.
Ukuthi
It's
babe
a
naleyo
solution.
mindset yokuthi PSL is not it.
Pre-season.
Yeah.
PSL is not
Pre-season-
it. In a way, we understand.
no,
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 it's not it. Not it. But it's not it or Jean Sekfitli. I'm
Mm.
on my prime. You still have to surpass
Yeah.
the ceiling, bruh.
Okay, as njengoba uTito wenze the same mistake eSpain. Balgibsa bakora.
bakora
Cishe bayenza izona.
Mm.
So it doesn't want to improve. So I think if we could have a one-on-one session where ukuthi like for the likes of Ox uzuthi akangathini esikhathini esibayi. Maybe second session individual ukuthi or maybe next 30 minutes individual.
azama
Uyangithola?
uku-improve rectify
Improve away.
yeah
Uyangithola
Alekho.
passing yakhe uthena kanjani ureceiver kanjani iball. Those things ezincane zimina something angithola. So that's why ngithi thina sishawa yini idiscipline ngayi.
Mm.
Phela mina ngiyasuka sengiye eDurban siyohlala eDurban. I'm not used to anyone. Usiye ngimjwayele. Ngavaya ngidlala kuMaZulu. Ayi uma bathi ngo11 session iperiod esiya ukuphi. Shaya GTI yami ngobloma nosiya lapha.
Inyama enhloko.
Kamex sishayela inyama
Mm.
sirelaxile angithola.
Mm.
Hey, fanele ngikhuphuke sengilate for a session.
Another session.
I didn't rest, Joe.
Soludile
Sengilodile izinto eziphaya ngithola.
Mm.
So if bengidla izinto ezigrandi, ngaresta umzimba walulama waba right. Second session ngithola ngiprepared.
And enye
Mase
into
ngiyo-improve.
mangabheka maybe akhona ama-team angayini
Ayenza.
Yeah,
ayenzayo
yeah.
and amanye awayithini
Finance.
Yeah,
financially abekho
and stuff.
mnandi.
Yeah,
So like obviously the players di struggle at some point
at some point.
wanthola or lona ka batla fihla la mara bona ka mindset ya bona as a player wena as a player ka mindset yawo awu batla ntho ke la lengo
Yes.
yitsho ngo tlo batla
Hey, like
yitsa mfethu
Cristiano Ronaldo.
and it will
Ball,
prove
it's
a una
extra
li
hours.
team yawo la ka kutsho ngwana you are working on yourself awuli you one
Individual.
Individual.
Okay,
Another
key solution.
So-
Key solution. I get it. Scaricello, the root of everything is environment.
Yes.
And you know, most of the players, Valorant, they get lucky to make it professional. Give us one podcast.
Yeah.
Goes back to if I have to break it down with like text.
Yeah.
We spoke about it. Now that's why we like. There's one thing taking Orlando Pirates. What they did. Orlando Pirates.
Mm.
And there's Pele whatever FC that we didn't know about, but it's under.
formally over
You
yes
understand?
Yeah.
So that being said, I don't know Guti Barana Juan Dinchoko Pele or
Yeah.
that's Orlando Pirates King like Eba Kaya maybe accommodation, like Gila allowance, like you want to go back to writing out the key solution. Because like the academies.
Mm.
Academies more like hostels. Basically.
yeah
Ntwana analytics. That's why
diploma
get ground root level.
Yeah.
I born Antonio potential. Like Farukan.
academy yeah
Yes. In a
School of excellence.
Yeah.
School of excellence. We susa
Nebuphilo.
environment there.
nebuphilo
Once you hang around people that are doing interviews and they're passionate about it, then the Lebatini, it gravitates towards you. So that simply means you grasping this positive energy, you use it in the phone. But now you're a good player around negative players. What is it that you're grasping?
Negativity.
You understand? So building those academies, it's more of your hostel. It's called you are right, nutrition is there, everything.
basically
You
sidinga
understand?
sidinga more school of excellence
Exactly.
Yeah.
Then kuba ne
into
like
esidingayo
players.
your fundraising
So that you
sort of
can
like organizations where they like have a fundraiser, like team ngathi fundraiser man like Pirates. People they come in numbers. Fundraiser lani ukuthi not necessarily but uyahamba ufaka neloos and maybe like your food and veg whatever in you know those fundraiser lani lento leso sithathile families ukuthi bangazoloku
Takes up.
ukuthi ulabona into focus kule nto yenzayo.
Eyenzayo straight.
Noma umuntu akafika ku-PSL usafila ngathi uhlala udlala ku-SAB. Usafuna ukuqhubeka, yangithola. So having right equipment, proper influence, mentoring, structure, yonke into, that might dala something.
Ngisaphendula le nto leyo ukuthi
Ungimamele maka ngimamela.
Hayi mambeki kwini.
Ngisaphendula le nto ukuthi nge-pre-season
Yeah.
yini lesingayenza for abaplay ukuthi makuqala league
Bafike seba
baqale on a
high.
ingafiki icale like
Ba
babe
Slope.
rusty babe njani.
Inkinga.
and that's a good question. You know why? It's a good question.
Ngizwile nonke niyazila ngimamela ngabuzwa makuphela isizini ama-team angavala
Yeah.
angibaya span
Hmm.
into abazoresta ngayo less training no playing games.
Yeah.
Mara they go to train
For more
Babonke.
sessions.
Babonke is ama play. Bava as a team. Okay.
Cool. They will see bye.
But it's gonna require more resources.
Uringa. Angithi less training,
Because
less
after
games.
10 months in the team.
Yeah.
After that, angisabasadla.
Yeah.
Abasa emacampini more.
Yes.
Uza nje ngathi uyespanini uvuke kuseni uthi umsebenzi. 3 hours, 2 hours a day uyahamba. 3 hours.
Ube nama-chance.
Sunday we are rest. For angithi evaluate season.
Mm.
But they go there so that bona mawi silick my phela bangabi ne chance ukuthi ela yokuhlaba abulala isitoro.
Asicavani masobuya.
Wafula lento le.
Ufonela.
Usabe ne limited time
Time.
but usaye gym.
Mm. Oh.
I think ngaba yi-solution because ngiyacabanga if ngidlala Golden Arrows season bathi I humble rest ngiza yi
Ha.
hayi mina ngiye bro ngithi ngisigijimile
Oh, no.
gym company
Ah.
yangithola
Mm.
hayi
We rest. We rest.
I don't need to rest.
Yodlala iPS.
Obvious.
Yangithola I need to train so that i-season mayiqala ngithole ni
Read.
yangithola so angazi bafethu.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ingaspana
yabona le nto
mfethu,
le,
ingaspana.
it might
shit.
work. It might not work.
Yeah.
Because lawo awanyana lawo bakawona, what if that's where they misbehaving? Bro?
Into engishoyo ukuthi
Mm.
siya.
At some point vele kumele
Shaya
si
session ngo-9.
offer
Shaya 9 until 12.
Cross sometimes.
singabantu.
Angithola. Or 9
Cross.
until 11.
Yeah.
I-session. From ngo-12 u-free until ngo-3. The next session ingo-4.
Ngo4
Uzokala
ngoma
yini?
6.
Intwana yami khambani. Ngeta siye Bram.
Le 2 hours yayo le.
Leyo. Uyenza into
Ungaye Bram.
So
Ungayenza. The problem is when I'm also Bram awusajimi
Yeah.
so uhleli.
Angithola.
But mangabe kumele uye gymming the next day you know ukuthi eBram uzoya 2 hours.
Mara le 2 hours is still doing.
You know
That's fine,
ukuthi
You carve your score.
impilo zabo kumele
Yeah.
bayenze whatever
You know
bafuna
what?
ukuyenza. They are not
You know why it's gonna be difficult for them? You're staying away from home for isikhathi singakanani?
10 months.
It mustn't be difficult for both.
But that's how it is. Like realistic
I mean,
speaking.
we are trying
Now
to
we're being
change,
realistic.
we are trying to change the mindset.
Okay, sure.
Now we are trying to shy away from those things.
Siyikopi sasencane.
Cristiano Ronaldo nemali ukudlula wonke ama-soccer player.
Siyikopi sasencane.
Mara akanasikhathi sama-brand.
Yeah, phela
Kunayo yonke
environment.
into disposal.
I get what you're saying.
Ngiyakuthola.
CR7.
Maka le
I get what you're saying. Asathi CR7 upload nawo kube umngani namhla. Ungitshele lento
Oh,
ozongitshela.
CR7 une-discipline.
Asazi. Angithi siyazi ngoba
Yeah,
sesibonile.
Angeke aphuze ikhono.
Listen, angithi siyibonile. Sesiyibonile le
Shama
like
cocktail.
years outlived
Shama
whatever
cocktail,
uzalile
mm.
ngesikhathi whatever.
phuzi
But
khulu.
if we were to create a scenario, sithi Cristiano akhulele Cairns, would you think because of the very same mentality now?
That's what I'm saying. It's me. For which a player will keep it there. We can start a program. ezomenza
That's why
kumele
ngithi
zithini.
that's why ngisho ukuthi iGobe isasencane mase indala ngeke usayina next.
Sigoba phela yithi sibukela yithi sithenga
Cabanga umuntu ophendula uGobe endlini uzona 17
Azomamela wena. It's not possible.
siyazi ukuthi
yona siya ngaspana however mara izoyena challenge
That's why kumele sifuna ama-player afana naboRile naboApolice.
You won't get those players.
We want those
But
players. I would
Where?
forget we want them.
Where?
Baba, if you are not that player,
See, ngeza ngine-discipline.
yeah,
Ngeza ngine-discipline ngihlangane no-Steven Ankorati.
you see, we don't want those players. That's what.
But now how many players are you going to chase up because of
Thank
that?
you.
There are many footballers. Company style
Every day.
Yeah, listen,
Every day.
tena songa na team asala ma player
angithi ngisishisa that ama-player maningi. It goes down to lento ishoyo. There's many players but bakuphi lama many players lawo?
Oh, problem here.
But you can't start a new team every week.
I'm
What I'm saying is, it's fine if
But I do get what you say.
Yeah.
I'm not disciplined. Fuck off.
I do get
It's
what
fine.
you say.
Sharp,
Yeah.
via chief. As a full.
They're bigger than the
So
team.
COVID into 16.
izospana
Lokho PSL dlala into 16. Then sibukela out in at 8 sizositshela ukuthi yona imeli yokuhlaba.
And
Imeli idlala.
yabona for an example ubhekane uDino.
Yeah.
Dino, take it just
Dino
typical example.
Aye, Dino.
tino kasi yawo
Landing airport.
Yeah.
But
Oh, Dino
Kopsier, bruh.
Yeah, well, that's now.
That's lawuda. And yazi uDino. Hence I'm saying ukuthi environment. UDino environment akhulele kuyo.
I'm
It
sure.
was bad.
Sharp. Listen to what I'm saying. Environment. Asekele wenza athi environment problem.
It's bad. No, that's the root of everything, bruh.
Whoa, if Kaizer Chiefs,
Yeah.
go to Dino na. Yalazi bo.
But I'm releasing.
Umthathile.
I'm released.
Listen.
Okay, sure.
If Kaizer Chiefs yamthatha uDino. Yambona ukuthi yalazi bo. Uyamthatha uDino. Uyamgelezisa. Uyamsusa kulo environment.
Angizophendula.
Umbeke wherever.
Ngizophendula.
Uyamguide, uyamgada. Angithumela umfundisi. Awumguide chance ukuthi ayikasi. Mawungamguide chance ukuthi ayikasi. Ngeke ayikasi because uzobona ukuthi hey,
Pointless. Lento ngiyela lapha.
uvange M2 manje ngihlala ku double story ngigrade. Naye at some point uzobona awuthi yami ukuthi no, I don't need ukuthi ngikasi. Ekasi ngizospenda 2 hours. Ngiyabuka.
Mareka
You
sikumnandi.
can take me out of the gate,
Even
but you
with the
cannot take the
Kumnandi.
gate.
Hayi kasikumnandi angeke.
You can take me out of the gate, but you cannot take the gate out of me.
But listen, that's what discipline.
Yeah,
That's what
I
I'm
need to
talking
put some
about.
chairs.
Nawe masuboni emfethu mawungalithinta wena manje bisi uzongitshela ukuthi alright awusalifuni futhi
Lisa, angithi lisaqala liba familia. Uzali
Uzongitshela
enjoy.
ukuthi
Yeah.
Listen, lisaqala liba familia, ngizoli enjoy.
listen
La
wena
sengiphethe qena ngisancengi phela.
Uzothola ama-player afana njengabo
Listen. Mangithi angisancengi. Mamela ngiphendula.
ayikhulumi igama eliwani asancenga umuntu okhafayo
You're not listening. Mangithi angisancengi. Phela mangithi angisancengi. I-attitude seyichange. Uyangithola? So into ukuthi I can tell her whatever that I want. Manje sengenza ngikhohlwa izinto ezimportant.
okay mawuthi awusancengi ini
Abantu engikhuluma nabo ke. Angithi ufuna
Ekasi.
Yeah, that's what I'm
thank you
saying. So
yiyo kimi ngiselise ngifuna
Ufuna
outside
ukubheka.
ekasi uyokhuluma le
mangithi angisancengi phela kunalokho ngengaloku ukuthi sekuyinto ukuthi sengine-ego lokuthi ngintshele like ngisancengi nginale ego yokuthi ngiyangitshentsha no sekiyijwetha kutsamela ko ingurase kunale everything
Better than anyone.
like you kept bathini inflated with lento ukuthi hayi manje sengisebhablini la. Now you start ignoring izinto. That's why ngibona bathi imali yamtshentsha umuntu we can debate.
Mina ngangishintshi. Mina engintshela mama.
Ngakushintsha ntwana.
Ngakushintsha ukuthi ube grand ube blind.
Mina ngaba
Asazi.
mina engisaza ngizoshuta.
Asazi.
Nacala ngibhadala ngizoshuta.
That's what we're talking about. So says uzoshuta
Yeah.
uzothola.
Mara uzongibhadala ngithi ngisayini contract.
Awunazi uzoshuta sikhathi.
So mina
Awuspani. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I guess-
ngithi ngayimini.
Ichiso vange emsuhlala kumenshini uyabona ukuthi amanekasi bengihlale ku backroom.
Yeah.
I can't go there.
Thing is we get what you say.
Yeah, kubuyele
But now,
kubuyele
ukubonisa elinye side ukuthi this is how it's happening.
Ekhaya.
Oh no, what I'm saying is teams have to take the intwana
Thank you. Ngifuna usho kanjalo nje uyiqede.
Ngiqale kanjalo
Cause
ukuthi ama-team
yazi
yakho
njani?
lentwana le ngelesi discipline uyayibonisa enye life besides life yasikazi.
Ama-team manje ithi ukubonisa uDino hamba ematrayelini. Wanconywa uye safika into yokuqala uye uthulonyana. Watshela ukhusi ukuthi hayi lentwana le mina uDino ngasikhathi ukuphi? Angitheni ubuye eKenz, ubuye ku-KFC.
Majobe.
Iskindi sila.
Maphalala.
Yamanje.
Uphula iskindi uDino. Manje ngithi lento lesesemqondweni yakhe ukuthi iskindi kwameslide like automatic.
Yamanje.
Bamthatha. uDino bamthatha bamsusa kuphi eKenz. Bekune I think extended family. Instead of taking Dino to Naturena, bekune extended family. We had to do lento le ukuthi Dino achieve the white as a pinball. Dino Pinville waqala ukujimana achieve 2-3 days, 4 days
Out.
after it was child.
Yeah,
You know what? Listen, bamncanyile umntwana ne and they knew ukuthi uDino umuntu onjani.
Yeah.
Simthathe simsuse ekasi kuumuntu ukuthi uyangithola because uDino maka try mina ngihlele ngaphandle ngibuza ama question ukuthi umntwana
Umuntu onjani?
uyangithola ngiyaphendula umntwana obhayiswa 1 2 3 uhlala kanje ini bayabamba lento le akunandawo la ngaphiloma khona ini sihambe sephula kaBudini ma 16 sikhulume noma olile kuma 16 I Dino na family kala kama Cape Spring Dino kalo do Cape Spring le malume wakhe Dino ufika uhlala Cape Spring malume wakhe 2 days 3 days abona ukuthi I can't.
But
Kumnandi.
here's the thing.
Lokho batawubona sorry.
No, here's the thing.
Akusoqedi. Dino nayibata but now
It speaks to mindset ye player hore if you are serious mfethu ka ntho e batlang tjo o totsa le neng o right e bontshang
okay sharp
o bua e batla mfethu
nasayibahle la ile ntho uqala bo ne o batla dlala ball already na ntho tse ngata mo kelelong yao ke ntwana ntho uqala na 16 or 15 right Dino diploma ko di 8 Dino na pleke ya Robert tshwanetse ke mnyonyobiso ga tlo kitla ko nne nna rume ke kitla ko ene ke rume a geleng ke mangwana ina le di rules a se a o thola Dino ko jareteng wa tsalana abana le batho a o gaoli for 2 days 3 days nthunya tse tswana le tse because of that misunderstanding so o kopana le Dino o lata wena ga petse una le ditratse so celong ka o nkile ska go mana ke gape Dino fitlela Dino performa be grand but now reality check obviously Dino ile lo trial amolo remember a lo dula go Kaizer Chiefs a lo etsa o santsana khutlela kasi okay and le moya lo plomanteng ko Cape Spring a tsebo go mtsalo dulang le lo mtshita jwang ding already sana le ntse wa life o yena ya phela wena batho ba lo dulang le bona batho ba grand life o yena ya phela o inka ska motho lo reng he was cast or whatsoever noma ka thola ntho entle mfethi aka se tshware so because of wena u useless noma ithotha I believe ukuthi wena santsane le understand Dino mfethu wahamba wayodlala ku Pirates Engine Cup wafuna iPirates bamlandelela ku Martinana nge-clearance so yabona ukuthi ezinye izinto mfethu like
Gatekeep.
wabona ukuthi the environment but ba rata ba bona abakushela basana mwabhekile ngabakushela
amlemazini
okay asekele story skadini sengikhuluma kakhulu ukuthi ne
Yeah, mara sisiyeri ne because ngiyizwa ukuthi buyavana na but example yakhe uTikumdisi mfethu
The general.
listen to story sikaTikumdisi ithama lakhe ahlala nalendlini bekangafuni ukuthi adlale disi head ukuthi ahlala nyonyo
bekayifuna
amcosha ukuthi
uTeko bekayifuna lento leyo ingqondo yakhe bekayifuna waze wafika la kumele afike khona
yena
mentally yakhe bekayifuna
I understand the situation but if you know ukuthi iChiefs bangincane bangifunile this could change my life uyakhona ukuthi singibhekezele for no
and there will be someone eteamini obona ukuthi lentana le yayifuna even though isituation yayo idala
Ingam allow.
so bakhona bokhutshwa abahlala nama-player ukuthi vele ababona lentana le ntswe maka isituation yakhe esibheke hey it's tough uyayicova usondeza uyetshele these are the rules tsa motseng waka and then akelekwa the rules tsa team tlamele o latele so maka yimo mkhunyu yaka nna tla accommodate
Yabona for
do the right thing
example
until ube grand yangithola
ubani uBash if ufika late
coach Bashin
if ufika late shayisa amalephi session yonke so that you can respect
isikhathi.
no respect is
isikhathi
oh
sakhe
that is why what's up
amalephi mfana
ke bambi
Coach Tibos nah same thing if ufika late shaya session yakhe amakhulu
Yeah.
Angithi nasesicedile session amakhulu. Nawe bamba wakho amakhulu. Yangithola. Discipline. That's why ngithi sometimes kuya ngomuntu ukuthi
uyayifuna
and
kangakanani.
then it's gonna depend ukuthi kusasa mangiye sessionini ukuthi ngizofika not unless khona izinto ezikubambezela and into ekumele ikubambezele mosasentwana isigele. Ayikho enye into ekumele ikubambezele. Yangithola. Because of kini bayazi ukuthi udlala ibhola.
Esikoleni.
You must be and isikele siphuma 1:30 1:45 da. So yinto oyenzayo da. Because of the next hour ungane wa cleaner wandlula wawasha amasokisi washaya homework it's done. So you being late you need a proper reason ukuthi why kumele ube late. So kuya ngawo kuya ngawo ukuthi ufuna kangakanani ngithola.
Maplayer allocate dedication. They are not dedicated. Bayifuna for ukuba da time ngobu ngifikile da effort yaba yiyo.
That is why amaplayer angayiperform contract yakhe mayiselling awani.
Ufuna usecure another.
We go back to
Ngithola. So nje mentality it's fact.
Like mentality singakhuluma sithi like it's polluted.
It's
in so many
everywhere.
ways. In so many ways.
Phela yazi thingitshela yazi thimini kunjani. Usiya umnandi uyoshawutela. Makangathi asida. Or makangathi go slow ejime.
Influential.
Yangithola to.
Dictator.
Yangithola.
Mbappe.
Yangithola. So into engisho ukuthi ezinye izinto it's not ukuthi mina ngifuni mara simamela usiya.
Yo.
Mara simamela usiya because of usiya uyomnani and uyenza izinto ethimini. So sometimes ezinye izinto eshama player ukuthi you can't make a choice ukuthi if Siya says asiye sessionini I'm charged sharp ngenza into zakho ngenza into zami ngiyazivela ngesessionini. That's how you start with discipline, making choices. Yangithola. And two usiya makangathi sabotage coach. Why kumele sabotage coach? Why wena ungahlali ebenchini? Why kumele wena ube special?
Sabotage uyiwa.
Yangithola.
Ngathi sabotage usipome. Ngiyadlala.
Sayibala.
It's a bomb.
It's a bomb.
Sharp mafethu.
Ayibhale ngekhabethe yo.
Anginane item eyi-1 lethinde ngidlalela so hayi sabotage kanjani.
And subscribe. Ne ngingakhohlwi. And another thing bafethu ngisakhumbula ukuthi siqale ngayo before.
Iyasho bafethu. Yazi kuyenzakalani? Ibhedwe ngifana ibuyile ne and you know it's gonna be a shopping. It's gonna be a shopping this season. Ubhedwe kuzoba mnandi.
If bayakora.
I just pray ukuthi ama team abo mayisiphethe.
Yeah, that's a vision. Yabo into grand.
Usaqhubeka siyivali.
Bafethu ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe la bafethu.
Yeah.
Subscribe bafethu Shibobo Magazine.
And ubona umhlaba wonke subscribe.
Manifuna ukubona i-host.
Mr. Tweety.
Manifuna ukubona i-host.
Hayi. Sengifakile.
Oh, what's up?